not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you said it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. Like, she's giving sophisticated, she's giving effortless, she's giving gorgeous. I just love it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a wig install, and this video is sponsored by Premium Lace Wig. I hope I said that right. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Today's video is pretty short. As you can see, my hair is pretty short. It's pretty sweet and straight to the point. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button while you're here and stick around, become a part of the CK gang if y'all are interested in seeing how I achieve this. And guys, definitely keep on watching. So guys, today's wig is by Premium Lace Wig. Shout outs to them for sponsoring this video, and I'm sorry if it's still so echoey. My filming room is literally empty still, and we're just doing like a little makeshift recording area. But anyways, this is what the hair came in. It is a 14-inch bob. It's supposed to be a 13x6 frontal, and I'm super excited because it's summer. It's hot, girl. It's so hot outside. We're not using any glues. We'll just be using the Ebon spray, and it'll be an Wonder Lace. It'll be a pretty quick and simple install. I don't know if I have studio lights set up, guys. It's literally light from the window. Let's just get this tutorial done. Really quick, really easy. This is the wig, perfect 14 inches. It is a 13x6. As you can see, it goes in pretty far, so you can get a really deep part. The side is not that deep, but the middle, really, really deep. The hairline, guys, isn't the very best straight out of the packaging, so I am gonna go find my tweezers and tweeze this hairline just a bit. And I don't have any like specific way how I do my plucking. I just part the hair out and pluck behind the very front of the hairline, and I just keep moving my tweezers around and I pluck until it feels like it's enough. But we're gonna have a really cute bob moment. I'm gonna go and tweeze the unit real quick, and then I'll come back and install it.
Yeah, it's me trying to curl hair with a flat irons. I know I can't do it and I try every time. And every time I get myself so mad. I'm here rewatching this and I'm just like super annoyed. Like, what am I doing? But anyways, guys, the hair it curls, it straightens pretty well. I ended up just using my curling one to put like a few loose curls in the front. As you'll see, the flat irons was a fail. I had to end up straightening out those curls. I don't know what I was doing, child. You guys, so this is what the hair is looking like, and this is me without adding any makeup, anything to it. All I did was straighten it, and then I added like some curls, like just loose curls in the front, so it's not as straight, but the back is straight. I'm going to do my makeup, add makeup to the part, and then I'm going to come back. But I'm really loving it. As of late, I've been liking really like natural densities, especially on hair like this, so it gives a really realistic vibe. It's giving like a fresh sew in kind of vibe, and I love that. So I'm gonna go do my makeup and I'm gonna come back because you know we have to serve. But thus far it looks really good and I love it.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, holding everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Giving such a cute, classy, sophisticated vibe. Just the kind of look that I was going for. I feel like this density is perfect for me because it is the summertime. I don't want a lot of hair on me, and this bob, even though it's on like the longer spectrum of a bob, I feel like it's great. It looks very realistic, very natural, and I just love the look of it. This is what I did to it. I would say if I had more time, I would have bleached the knots because the knots were very evident when I got it, and I had to do a lot of plucking, and I still feel like I could have plucked this unit some more. So if you buy this unit, you definitely have to put some work into it, but at the end of the day, it's an affordable unit and I feel like it looks pretty good, especially for the pricing point. If you are interested in this hair, then definitely check out the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it, and I really hope you subscribe and become a part of the CK gang. And I'll catch you in my next one. That was a lot of ands, but I'll catch you in my next one, babies.